So you want to deliver effective software demos that convert into sales, but you're tired of having to pray to the demo gods that everything will perform as needed. Divine intervention might save you from time to time, but having a solid, versatile demo platform gives you more control, reduces errors, and is easier to adapt to new use cases. Let's take a look at 8 do's and don'ts for product demo environments. Do not install software on laptops. Anytime users want to do a training session on their own laptops, you're asking for trouble. Restrictive corporate policies, VPNs, insufficient hardware specs, so many factors can throw a monkey wrench into your curriculum. Getting complete control over the student's workstation is key to avoiding disasters. Do not use a shared cloud account for training. Inviting outside users into your cloud environments puts your organization at risk. Students who thought the password training123 would suffice can lead to cloud workstations being compromised, or worst case, your entire shared cloud account gets suspended or shut down. Do not create a shared demo environment for all users. The shared demo environment can lead to all sorts of problems, particularly if multiple sales engineers are trying to do a demo and end up stepping on each other's toes. If someone breaks something in the demo environment, then it's down for all users. Save yourself the stress and create a new demo environment every time you need one. Do not try to build your own training demo platform. Avoid taking the DIY approach when creating demos and workshop content. While you may think it will solve your problems in the short term, you'll end up paying for it later as your teams grow. Do buy instead of build. Building and maintaining a demo or workshop platform isn't an easy task. You'll have to create a complex infrastructure as code system that can stand up and tear down lab environments on demand. Make sure your cloud accounts are secure, have cleanup that can clear out unused cloud resources, create documentation and ensure good testing is in place, and provide live support for instructors who might run into issues. Save the risk of ending up with a new part-time job on top of your regular responsibilities, and buy instead of build. Do regularly test your demo or workshop content. Your demo or workshop content requires regular functional testing and walkthroughs of exactly what a user will be doing during a live presentation. Implement nightly testing for your critical demo and workshop environments to ensure that everything is working as expected. Do use browser-based sandbox environments. Want an easy way to lose most of your prospects? Ask them to install something to test drive your software. There's one thing that all of your users and prospects have in common, and that's a web browser. Browser-based sandboxes can be accessed anywhere on the internet, even from inside restricted corporate networks. They are safe, isolated from the public internet, and can also be embedded into learning management systems. Do make it fun. Technical training and demos can be boring. Get creative with your content. You can use a mock company name or offer cool badges. It doesn't need to be an entire fantasy universe, but make your demo tell a story. Help your users see themselves in the driver's seat and understand what problems you can solve. Overall, your demo environment should be a revenue driver and not an engineering challenge. For more information, visit our blog at instruqt.com/resources/blog.